If your partner's a chronic snorer, there's no need to bring out the megaphone, kick them to the comforts of the couch, or worse, consider a divorce. Good Niter is a mouth spray that cleanses the blockage in your sinuses and makes breathing effortless and soundless. Once the narrowed airways are open, the vibrations of the soft palate gradually diminish as the snoring gets put on mute. Last but not least, the spray soothes the nervous system, ensuring a deep, uninterrupted sleep. Discover the secret to peaceful nights at GoodNiter.com.